Welcome back, everybody. Now, the way you use your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to greatly affect your battery life. In the comments of my YouTube videos, I have a lot of people saying they're either getting great battery life, bad battery life, and I love making videos showing you all how to get good battery life. And I'm going to show you a video, and I guarantee it, this will improve your battery life on your S24 Ultra. Now, we'll come over here. Now, Samsung, thankfully, gives you lots of options, gives us lots of options to really increase the battery life. Now, I'm going to go here into the battery settings, and I want to show you a couple things that you need to utilize if you want to increase your battery life. Now, you're going to click on background usage limits. Now, I have put unused apps to sleep, which is kind of cool, but at the same time, say you have an app that you use maybe once a day. That's not going to work. An unused app is something that doesn't get used for an app that doesn't get used for a while. Say you're just using an app once a day, maybe it could be email or whatever it is, but you don't want that app constantly running. I recommend, especially if you're looking for really good battery life, come over here to deep sleeping apps and go ahead and put whatever app it is you want to deep sleep. For example, you're going to hit the plus button here and say I wanted to put All Trails to sleep. Say I wanted to come over here and let me find something else that I don't think would be, that I don't really need to be running. I use a lot of my apps. Okay, the Epic Game Store. All right, so I'm going to add it there. So now you see what's added to my deep sleeping apps. This right here, and I'm not saying to do this to all of your apps, because I'm not saying don't do it to your email, don't do it to your calendar, don't do it to your Google Maps, don't do it to those like very important functioning apps, because at the end of the day, the whole point of having this phone is like emails, or having a phone in general, emails, your maps, your location, things like that. I'm just talking about, say you have some apps that you think are trivial, that you don't need to be using. And if you want to do something less dramatic, let me see here. Let's go over here to sleeping apps. See, so this was deep sleeping. Now we're going to go over here to sleeping. Come over here to sleeping. I don't have any sleeping apps, but say I wanted to put something to sleep. I already have All Trails and all them already on the sleeping app. Let me see here. No, I use Audible. Let me see here. Let me find something here that I could do. But just for the sake of the video, what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and put this one to sleep here. The family link. I'm going to add it, and it gets added to the sleeping app list. Now, right here, the app, some of the functions will run in the background, but it won't run as much as if you just had it running wide open. But if you just have it sleeping, it'll just do the basic functions. If you have it deep sleeping, it'll basically do nothing. So if you want to get great battery life, this is the very first step that you should be taking right here. All right, so let's something else here. Of course, you can do power saving mode, enable battery protection, all that stuff. I really don't worry about this kind of stuff on my S24 Ultra. It has a 5,000 milliamp battery. So for me, it's not that big of a deal. But if you really want to get great battery life, follow the steps I just showed you, and I guarantee you're going to get terrific battery life. All right, everybody, take care.